This is the forecast plus air quality plus fire update for the morning, quote unquote, here. So 34 today, 36 tomorrow, peaks again there tomorrow. Today was supposed to be peaking, now tomorrow is. Again, that'll probably decrease because of the widespread smoke forecast, but so be it. Roll down here, and that's all it is there. Cools down a bit, gets down to the mid-high 20s. 30%, whole 30% chance of showers Sunday night, and then mix of sun and cloud, which will probably introduce some 30% chances of showers here and there between this. Maybe a risk of a thunderstorm as well. It's not like it's going to be ultimately bare bone dry, but more so than still dry. And then we got the fire update here. There was a fire removed. Oh wait, no, it was one that was removed. Okay, this is the fire update here. Again, there should have been one removed in the southeast today. So, well, it will be removed at some point today, I should say. So, if it hasn't been already. But yeah, otherwise, still fuck ton of fires. Mind you, most of them are tiny, out of control fires. They don't really monitor. Active fires 268, 18 in the last 2 days. Current year 1,489, 67 in the last week. Yeah. And then to top it off here, we got the fire update. Air quality. I guess that's still technically a fire update because it's in relation to it. I'm just going to do this just for safety. It was trying to improve last night, but it didn't really last very long. We're at currently 261. Yeah. But yeah, on that note, I will see you guys later on today. Welcome to the new video as well. Shot conditions, look. Buy this water here for a second. Yeah. There's not much asphalt today. It's pretty much not even anymore. Of course, you're gonna get a little bit of soot with how heavy the smoke is, but otherwise, it's a lot tamer compared to yesterday. And now it's kind of like replaced it with just even shittier air quality compared to when there was just asphalt. Now we gotta wait till Sunday before we get a cold front that will sweep in and get rid of this shit. While bringing reprieve in temperatures and maybe a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Won't be too much more than that. But yeah, I will see you guys later on today. Yeah. Like I said, ash isn't that bad anymore. Alright, here's a fire plus air quality update. Jesus. Fire plus air quality update. And this is how it's looking. Yeah. Don't think you. Oh, wait. I think Prince George has added one. That looks new. Nice. Love it. Otherwise, yeah. I'll do a fires of note later on. We'll do something else for a little while. I can get this done as well as the air quality. Forecast is pretty garbage now, so I'm not going to show it. Oh, shit, wrong thing. Wrong thing again. There we go. Active fires, 274, 20 in the last 2 days, 1,570 in the last week. So it's really taking an uptick here, despite the fact there's no lightning. Thank you, humans. Really doing a good job. Fucking dingbats. And then we got the air quality that's turned to absolute pea soup garbage, as you saw earlier. If I show you guys the air quality here, we are sitting at a nice, no, not too bad, 294. And it's peaked at 316. How nice. Again, won't clear up until we get that cold front this weekend. Sunday, specifically. Oh yeah, Sunday. Yeah, how nice. But on that note, I will see you guys later on with the fires of note update. Yeah. I haven't been up here in ages. Yeah. That's how it looks. Yeah, let's just put it this way, it's smoky. Really wonder how it would have looked a couple days ago. God damn, it must have been horrible. But yeah, not really much else to show from up here, so I'll leave it on that note. Well, here's the forecast plus fire plus air quality update for tonight, and then we'll do a fires of note right after this. Yeah, it's actually, the haze is cleared up quite significantly. That's in part due to the fact that the ridge is flattening and turning more zonal, so it's a lot with weak embedded features in that flow, so it's allowing for a little bit more unstability, so it's mixing out a bit more, moving out. But yeah, widespread smoke tonight through tomorrow through Monday. 40% chance of showers Monday, 6% chance Monday night still. A little bit gusty tomorrow. 50 winds becoming southwesterly, gusting 50 near noon, then becoming light in the evening. Sounds pretty reasonable. Maybe up to 60 even. And now Tuesday is a 70% chance of rain and 18 degrees only. That'll mark the first time we've gone below 20 degrees as a high, if that does happen. And I don't fucking remember last time. I'd say several months. Let's go with that. And we move on here. We got the fire part of this update. This is how it looks. Like I said, there's definitely been one added to Prince George. That I know for a fact. Yesterday. Otherwise, I don't think any have been added or removed since the last time I did one. So, yeah. Current stats, 272 active fires, 13 in the last 2 days, 1,505 current year, 67 in the last week. Yeah. We Move on. We got the air quality here. We currently stand at, well, definitely not 162. Definitely not definitely not 193. That's all. That's wrong. I don't know why it's like that. Let me try. If it doesn't work, we'll just leave it. It's no point in fighting it. I'm not gonna fight it. That's the real number, but that was a while ago. But yeah, 162. Really improved. Like you can actually see, it's really gone down since yesterday. So big improvement. Might persist into tomorrow, might not. With the breeze, I expect so. On that note, though, I will see you guys later on with the Fires of Note update. Fire showing its colors over there. The breeze is slowly making its rounds. Alright, here is quite the significant forecast here. Plus fire update. 70% chance of showers late in the afternoon with a risk of thunderstorms tomorrow. It's looking, I work till 8:30, but Monday night showers, risk of thunderstorms in the evening, so it goes till about 10 or so, give or take. And then Tuesday, 70% chance of showers, widespread smoke, apparently, comes back. And then Tuesday night, 9 degrees, widespread smoke. I don't know why they predict widespread smoke will return, but we'll see how that goes. Might be something to do with cooling, I don't know. But yeah, and then we got the fire update. Wrong thing. And the internet's down, just wait. And here's the fire part of the update. Just got a strong enough connection to get this part done. Ouch. But yeah, the internet's just gone. Oh no, it's back. I was gonna say I won't do the current stats. Internet's gonna be out. But yeah. Yep, so 268 active fires, only 6 in the last 2 days. 1,506 current year, 60 in the last week. At this point, we're just slowly going down. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Yep. Holy cock. Oh my god. This is extreme as fuck. I'm not fucking around. This is quite intense. Well, the breeze isn't, if you get, but talking about this. And the only way I can really get a good view is right here. Unfucking real. This is all smoke. It's just gone to our north, so we're not experiencing the same shit. But the shit that's being experienced right down there, holy crap. It's fucking nighttime. I've never experienced that before, and thankfully it's not gonna happen this time either. And then there's a bit of smoke down there from the fires to our southeast. There's a new fire directly to our west, really. And then this is Tremont and White Rock combined. This is ridiculous. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. Like this thick and this. Just look at this. This is definitely, I can agree with the BC Wildfire Service on this. Conditions I've rarely or ever experienced here. And it's been happening over the past month or so now. Unfucking believable. I'm gonna get some photos and I'll be back with you guys real quick. Keep this on actually. Wow. Oh, look at the flag. I've never seen. Try to get this on. Actually, when I look down here, you can probably see one of the fires. Yeah, there it is. The West Bank one is, well, the one to our west is right down there somewhere. I think I can see it. It's it's like the smoke here is partially a combination of the fire down there, Tremont, and White Rock. You got like 3 different fires contributing to this just one massive cloud, with White Rock being the biggest contributor, Tremont second, and then that fire down there the third. Shit's hitting the fan down there as well, and I wouldn't be surprised if, I mean, realistically speaking, I wouldn't be surprised if we see some glow down there tonight. Although it depends on where it's really. Yeah, I would have to put on my glasses to see that. But the breeze and everything's just ridiculous. Last report, the gusts were up to 60 at the fire, so I can easily say it's probably rank 6 fire behavior. Look at that. Don't know. That's fire. You know, it looks like it's from a fire, but it's hard to tell. I don't think it is, because I mean, it's quite unstable right now with the change in flow. We're kind of now sitting more in ridge than anything. I mean, a zonal flow more than anything. But otherwise, this looks like a shelf cloud. Like, just take this for example. There's your rain bands, all that, and there's your fucking shelf cloud with all where the winds are going to be and all that. That's what this looks like. Well, I gotta start heading in here. Got food. Oh, yeah, that's definitely from the fire. Oh. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Fucking hell. This is ridiculous. I think in 18 years, I don't think I've ever seen such a volatile wildfire season like this. Drought like this, just, it's unreal. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys a little bit later on. Oh my god. Yeah. I don't know, might be visible tonight, depending on the state of it. But right now, that's the new fire, and everything else is the Tremont and White Rock. The whiter smoke is the new fire. Which means it's less, well, it's hard to say less vigorous without saying it's spreading rapidly at the same time. It's not in deeper fuels, I guess, at this point. But it's really fucking going either way. That pike's just falling all over the place. Fucking stop moving. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. A little bit later on, I should say. See you guys later tonight. There we go. Just on time. There's some kind of increase in fire activity going on. Oh, it's just dimmed down there. It might be also part due to the fact that smoke's obscuring the actual view of it. But it's really starting to pop out now, the view of the fire. I am highly expecting by tonight, if the woods is still going, that fire will be well visible from here. This is ridiculous. Oh my god. The camera's crooked, but I can give a rat's ass. But yeah, something's happening over there. This is ridiculous. This is just insane. Right, we're outside. It's a little calmer now. It's very warm though. Well, in comparison to how it typically is. And the pool's completely fucked. This pool's dusty, man. It's dusty. Let's see what we can save of this pool at this point. I don't know if we have a fucking pool season anymore at this point. The only benefit of that wind was the fact that it's now blown all the fucking ashes off. But yeah, as you can tell, it's not, I don't know how to put it, it's not like there's many ashes on the ground. You can see, it's blown most of it off, realistically. But as I've said, it's fucking raining ash. Like, it's fucking burning my eyes because there was chunks of it coming down. I don't know how it looks over here, but with a little delve into. But yeah, the winds have settled some. I mean, in the mountains and near the lake, it's going to be obviously stronger still. Still going to be on the stronger side. But yeah, like I said, you can see it's chunks of ash coming down. It's just the breeze is blowing it off. It's just keeping it moving. You can see, look. You can see there's plenty of it. It's just not much actually sticking because of the breeze. This has always been bad. It sticks because the car is dirty. I can't be bothered to clean it. But yeah, I don't want to head back up. I'm not feeling like that'd be healthy. Not that I don't want to. I just don't think it would be healthy to do that. Never mind the fact that by the time if I do go up there, it would be 1 o'clock. And to be quite honest with you, I don't want to go up there at 1. But yeah. I don't think tomorrow is looking very sketchy because thunderstorms and all that possible. So, yeah. Still breezy, obviously, but it's not like it's fucking 50, 60k anymore. On that note, I will actually be giving you guys a 5 note update despite the time. Oh, that's a fly. But yeah. Your forecast plus fire updates. I'll show you guys the outlook as well. I forgot. Actually, I completely forgot about that. Those 3 things. In a bit. 6% chance of showers late this afternoon with the risk of thunderstorms. And then tonight, showers with the risk of thunderstorms this evening. And then tomorrow, 6% chance of showers and widespread smoke. Tuesday night, widespread smokes. Wednesday, widespread smoke. I don't know. It seems odd that just suddenly we turned to widespread smoke in right after the rain, so I'm very doubtful with that forecast as a whole. Maybe Wednesday, but Tuesday definitely seems a bit, Tuesday night seems a bit fucking harsh. And we scroll down, Wednesday night, widespread smoke, and then Friday night right through till Sunday, 6% chance of showers. And temperatures throughout after today, today's when it's staying at 20. Whatever. Either way, it stays down in the low mid-20s for basically the rest of the week. So that's nice. And then a fair bit of chances of showers if that sticks around. I've had this said, and then it just turns to one day only. I believe this goes to Sunday night. Nope. And then we got the fire. So I don't even have the outlook ready. I'll get that ready later. This is the fire. Fires. Yeah, they say this is one in the northwest, but I didn't see it. That's strange. It still says there's a fire of note in the northwest, but like I showed you guys yesterday, it wasn't there. Unless it was just a glitch and they didn't have it up or something. Actually, I removed it. But yeah. He stands at 269 active fires, 1,513 in current year, 9 in the last 2 days. Yeah. But on that note, I will see you guys with the outlook in just a little bit. Yeah. The 11 o'clock day 1 update outlook. We're in the sea area, so we got 60k gusts, 10 to 15 millimeter rainfall, and isolated thunderstorms possible. It's not too shabby. We'll take it. We'll take the moderate. Moderate's for the wind. In regards to the wind and the rain combined, we'll take it. Especially in comparison to the B area, which only has fucking isolated thunderstorms possible. But yeah, on that note, I'll see you guys later on today. Hope we get something. It must have rained last night. Something. That's ridiculous. This looks like shit. Yeah, must have. Just had to have. Radar situation. So far, jack shit. I mean, it's supposed to be late this afternoon anyway, so I'll give it time. Conveniently, when I take my break, that should be my 30-minute break. That should be when everything starts. So we'll see. Fucking hell. It's a bit windy. It's about as windy as it has been over the past hour or so, so not missing much. Haven't missed much, I hope. Here's the 4 o'clock update. Yeah, showers, risk of thunderstorms this evening still, now localized 10 millimeters. That was with the 11 a.m. update, but obviously I did that before the 11 a.m. update came out, so yeah. Now tomorrow we got 40% chance of showers and risk of thunderstorms with widespread smoke. Widespread smoke, holy crap, Tuesday night through Wednesday. Yep. I'm going to top this off with a little radar update, because why not? I'm not going to have a break. Well, I'm not going to be taking a break until 8:30. So I want to get a little bit of a radar update in the process. Wrong radar. Oh, lovely. Whatever. You know what? We'll just do this. We'll save it to the end. How about that? We'll just save it to the end and just remove it. This is the outlook. In the A area, so just isolate thunderstorms possible. Although, probably, they've occasionally done like 5-10 millimeters of rain. That'd probably be the case for tomorrow. And then we got the fire update. Sorry, reposition myself here. Otherwise, I'm gonna hurting the shit out of myself. I was gonna say, where's the? There it is. This is where we stand. So the harsh news: White Rock fire. 50, 60 structures gone just from yesterday alone because of the winds. Yeah. And there's the fire. I was gonna say, where the hell is the perimeters? I knew I was missing something. And current stats: 265 active fires, 7 in the last 2 days, 1,512 current year. Still hanging around 16 in the last week. Probably will be the case for the next little while. And now we got. Now I'll do the radar. We'll try to see if that works. There we go. It worked instantly. That's what we're looking at here. Rain's just hanging over to the east there, west there, sorry. And then we got a few thunderstorms up north there. And you actually can tell that is the cold front. That whole line right there is the cold front. I believe it is. I believe it is. It looks, it's the way it forward propagates, it looks like it is. To the southeast, while keeping a west easterly motion. But yeah, I'll see you guys later on tonight. Hopefully I won't miss anything. Otherwise I'll try maybe sneaking a 10-minute break. If I even have the time. I'm going to do a air quality plus radar update here, and then we'll do a fires of note. Get it done early. So I gotta do other things, and I don't want to do it at fucking 11:30. But yeah, this is the air quality. It's really had an uptick since the winds have kicked up. It's sitting at 192. Peaked at I believe it actually peaked at around 225. 220s. It was in the 220s either way. And then the radar. This is how the radar is looking. Something organized developing. Let's see if that's anything. No, okay. It's just looking at that. And then that down there might be something though. We'll see. As so said by Avalanche Canada, which is like a partner of Environment Canada. Or whatever, either way, associated with Environment Canada. They say the load tightens, and then we have an uptick during the overnight hours. I mean, the forecast says otherwise, but we'll see. Maybe we'll get some late night stuff. I don't know, but I'm doubtful on that case. But we'll see. I'll just keep you guys posted. I'll see you guys with fires of note just in a little bit. Yeah. Ready? Here's your fires of note update. I believe they combined one from the camera. So one was removed but combined with another one here. Don't know which one it was. But looks like it might have been. I don't know. Anyways, I was going to end the video tonight, but because of the thunderstorm threat tomorrow, we'll do it tomorrow. We'll end the video tomorrow. So we'll start off southeast. Bill Nye Mountain. 2,990 hectares. Mashad Creek, 14,339 hectares. Plum Bob, 286 hectares. Octopus Creek, 97 hectares. Trozo Creek, 5,992 hectares. And then we got to the Caribou here. We got Big Stick Lake, 7,195 hectares. Churn Creek, 12,101 hectares. Flat Lake, 68,551 hectares. Danger trees. I think the winds would have knocked a fair bit of those danger ones down. Second bit. Young Lake, 7,453 hectares. And then we got Prince George. Cutoff Creek, 31,602 hectares. Pine River, 2,542 hectares. Tentfire Creek, 3,148 hectares. And we got the coastal fire here, 4,665 hectares. Yeah. And we move off to the Kamloops. Crazy Creek Gorge, 4,001 hectares. Bunting Road, 4,733.7 hectares. Garrison Lake, 14,610 hectares. George Road, 2,908 hectares. Hunakoa Lake, 3,600.7 hectares. July Mountain, 20,860 hectares. It merged with the Brook Creek fire. Yep. So that was the Brook Creek one. That was the one with fucking Brookmere under evacuation. Yeah. Okay. So it was the Brook one. Lytton Creek, 71,323 hectares. We'll do this little quick bit here, why not? McKay Creek, 41,110 hectares. Again, it's crap info. It's not necessarily important to me. Maumec Lake, 16,534 hectares. Oh, my leg. Oh, heaven. Why not? Second bit here. Mount Law, 800 hectares. Sparks Lake, 95,980 hectares. Nothing important there. Soyuz Fire, 17,812 hectares. Again, fair bit of info, but nothing really what I would want to consider important to myself. Thomas Creek is 11,771 hectares. Three Valley Lake, 433 hectares. Tremont Creek, 64,639 hectares. Two Mile Road, 1,542.4 hectares. And White Rock Lake, 64,720 hectares. Now, I don't know if this is seen. Does not look like it's mentioned, which really baffles me. But 50 to 60 structures were lost yesterday alone. Yep, this doesn't even say it. I would show it more thoroughly, but it doesn't show it. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on tonight, probably. Yeah. Okay, I think it's worthy. So, White Rock. While I was staring at the fucking new fire near West Kelowna, this one decided to burn estimated about 70 properties, up from 50 to 60 I was mentioning before in past clips. Yeah. Fucking hell. See you guys later. Go on. Later before I go to bed. And I'll see you guys Jesus in the morning. Yep. Alrighty, here's the forecast, plus fire, plus air quality update for today, and they've removed the thunderstorm threat. Only a 40% chance of showers today, and widespread smoke for today and tomorrow. Relatively cool. Yeah. So my initial thoughts were, I'm not going to edit the video today, but you know what? I'm going to end the video right after this because nothing's going to happen, obviously. No thunderstorms are in the forecast. And then the rest of this is fucking insane. I don't think I've seen this forecast in ages. Friday, right through till Sunday night. 60% chance of showers. And then Monday, a 30% chance of showers there. Low 20s and temperature lows in the low double digits. Wow. Like I said, I don't remember the last time this was in the forecast. It's very nice to see though. Hopefully it'll stick. Hopefully this will trend. And then we got fire. This is how it looks. Notice that there's still one in the northwest, but it's not on the actual page itself. I must be missing something. I'll check that out after the video. That's strange. Anyways, this is how it's looking. Fair bit of cooler, rainier conditions for most of the fires in the Kamloops and southeast. So some improvements been made. This is kind of almost like we just went from, I think we just got worse fire conditions earlier on, and then now it's kind of just going to be getting better from here, hopefully. Seems like it. We currently said 263 active fires, current year 1,516. And then air quality. Currently stand at 154. Unhealthy. Been kind of hanging around this very low end unhealthy, high end unhealthy for sensitive groups range. Yeah. But anyways though, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on in the next video. Peace.